Morning. All right, so I'm glad I went to the mailbox yesterday. Now, I got coupons off the Swiffer mop products, and normally I have a little Swiffer, just the regular Swiffer mop that I use to, mop the kitchen, especially that I have Baca. So the wipes, the floor wipes that I normally get has to be antibacterial, so I can use near where he pee at, where he used the bathroom at. But yesterday, I got some coupons in the mail, and it was coupons for the Swiffer products. All right, so notice when I went to Kroger, now it's after Christmas, they have a lot of things that's marked down. Now, I thought that, so they did have the Swiffer mop. So it's two different ones. It's like the regular one, and there's like a power mop. So they had one for $10, and I think that was like the regular one. And the power mop was $30-something, but I had a $10 off. So I ended up spending $20 for this Swiffer Power mop. Swiffer Power mopping kit. Now, part of me is like, is that really worth $20? We'll see. It took me some time, well, a couple minutes, just to figure out how it works, because I never had the Swiffer Power mop. But the kit comes with like the liquid floor solution, and I wish that it was like a antibacterial solution, but it's not. And then it comes with like the little, it's larger mop head. So these little mop heads is not like the regular wet floor wipes that I normally get. They're dry like this. So I'm gonna show you. I went ahead and put the mop together, and it comes with 2 AA batteries. And this right here has some weight on it. This is a heavy mop. And this is it right here. And this scent right here is fresh. And I already tried it out, but I'm gonna show you how it works. So like I said, have some weight to it. So make sure you be careful when you place the pieces together, because there's a wire. So you don't wanna mess up the wire. All right, also, it was a coupon for $4 off. And it wasn't just a bundle, it was for the wipes. So I ended up getting this. And again, I got this from Kroger. Kroger got, like I said, they got a lot of stuff marked down. Christmas stuff, and a lot of the floor cleaning products marked down. All right, so this right here, again, this is a Swiffer Power mop. This goes with that right there. I get 5 mopping pad refresh. Excuse Baca, he do not want to get a cage, but at this point right here, he's gonna be in there. And then this is another cleaning solution. This is look like it's like a lavender. So 5 times cleaning power with 300 plus scrubbing strips. And this is safe on wood floors. We have wood floors. Safe on wood floors. That's really good, because I don't want to mess up the floor. All right, so I already started over here. Hold on, y'all. There we go. I should have cut that on prior. I'm sorry. Like I was saying, this solution is safe on floors. So let me see if I can pull you up some. Oh, not that way. And let's go down to the floor. Let's see if we can go down to the floor. All right, let me take you over there. All right. Got part of the box on the floor. Oop. So be careful. Like I didn't have that. You see the cord I was telling you about right here? You gotta be careful. We don't want to mess up that cord. So I'm slowly pushing this down. There we go. So I don't think I had it where it clicked. So make sure you take your time when you're pushing this down in here and you see that click. All right, let's see if I can get you down on the floor. I probably can't. I'm gonna have to take this off so I can show you how it looks. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this button and let me let you see. All right, so that's just how it is. You press that button that's on the right here. And you just mop. I like to keep the house, you should always keep your house clean, but especially that I have a pet. I don't want the house to smell like I have a pet. And that's just how it is. Look at that, it smells really good in here. I don't want to put too much on the floor, but do what you need to do because you know how your floor is. Okay? And look at that. It has that wonderful shine to it. So this is that Swiffer Power mop. Okay, y'all see coupons in the mail? Look at the coupons, save the coupons. You know you're going to the store. Make sure you put the coupons in your purse. You never know what sale you may see and use those coupons. Okay, keep a couple change in your wallet, your purse, because you have to pay taxes on the coupons if you didn't know. Okay? Oh yeah, sorry about my voice. Oh, I sound crazy. But this right here, this Swiffer Power mop, I like this mop. It's worth to me so far. Like if you don't mind with that coupon, or let's hope you can find it cheaper than $20, but it's worth it. And I'm going to show you what mop. I'm going to show you the mop that I've been using for years. I had this, I tell you, I had this thing for years, over 4 years. And I just bought the little wet pads that go on it. I had this for years because, and then I believe I had a coupon or they marked it down or something like that. And your girl was not going to buy another one because I know how expensive these are. So I just bought the wet wipes. So now I got this one, which I was in doubt at first, but again, I need it. And these individually, I think it's like $6 or something like that. But I wish they just had it in like the antibacterial. That's one thing that I wish they had, but it's okay. It does the job. What I can tell you is it dries fast. So if you have wood, you know you can't let any type of water, nothing sit on the wood. So that is one good thing about it. Even though they say it's good on wood, yes, and it does not, the liquid does not just sit there. It dries pretty fast. Look, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified. Make sure that you go get you a Swiffer Power mop, okay? You can mop the kitchen, mop wherever, the bathroom, wherever that needs to be cleaned. Make sure you get it. Also inside the boxes are $3 off. Well, this says $3 off 2 Swiffer Power Mop refill products. So if you're going to Kroger, like I was telling you, they got their stuff marked down. Good. And then with the digital coupon. So you're able to use the digital coupon and this coupon. So you're saving a lot. This coupon will expire till 2026. So make sure that you double your coupons if you're trying to save. Double your coupons. I'm sorry, y'all. But yes. All right, if you have a Swiffer, any type of product, let me know what you got. Also, if you shop at Kroger, make sure you download all those coupons. Also, if you didn't know, Kroger do rain checks. It's like a lot of us forgot about the rain checks, but Kroger do rain checks. They don't do rain checks on clearance things because it's a clearance, but they do rain checks. So just keep that in mind. If there's a sale going on these Swiffer products and they sold out, get your rain check for that price and then use your coupon to save more money. All right. Yeah. So make sure you read the instructions carefully. Once you take, you take your stuff out the bag. A lot of us is just in a rush and we're trying to put things together. But we're gonna make sure that we are following the instructions, so we won't mess anything up. All right, y'all. So thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mopping the other half of the kitchen. Y'all be safe and enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.